The Harley Owners Group is the 20th largest club in the world. Let's get amazed by the production of Harley Davidson in its most popular manufacturing unit. The construction begins with the pressing and stamping station where the fuel tank is built. Now a cutting machine removes the excess parts. A robot seals the fuel tank, and workers polish the surface with the help of machines. Next, the frame of the Harley Davidson bike is built by employees and welded by robots. The bike's parts are then moved to the painting station. At this stage, different styles and colors of paints and designs are applied. The engine, the tire, and several other parts are attached to the frame. Now wire harness, steering, fuel tank, fenders, and mufflers are installed. The bike is cleaned by employees and sent to the final step. Now the bike undergoes a dynamometer test and few other tests to ensure quality performance. Finally, Harley Davidson is ready for long-distance drives by true riders.